So let's program lab 1. According to my directions on my sheet here, it says we're going to, here it is, get out of there. It says we're going to program a coding so the motor will start and run for 5 seconds at a speed of 48. After 5 seconds, the motor will stop, program ends. Program's going to start and run 5 seconds and then stop. I need a start code, a stop code, and a wait code. Let's build that. So I have my program set up already, running with the VEX 2.0 Cortex and one called Natural Language. I've opened up the file off the Schoology account called blank file, or empty file, sorry, here it is, it's ready to go. So I'm going to begin by finding my start motor command. Click, drag, and drop it in line 1. It says it's going to start and run at a speed of 48. Let's go 48. And it's going to wait, it says, I'll pick wait, click, drag, drop for 5 seconds. 5. And the motor is going to stop. Motor stops. There it is. Starts, wait, stops. I have a motor hooked up to my contraption. It's a 2-prong motor, so it goes in a 2-prong port, which is port 1 or 10. A 3-prong motor goes in ports 2 through 9. 2-prong, 1 or 10. 3-prong, 2 through 9. The battery is plugged into the battery port. And I'm going to power it on, make sure the lights blink, and they do. So we're good. Now I'm going to set up my motor. Go to Motors and Sensors Setup. I have a motor, mine's in port 1. I'm going to call my motor Steve. And all the motors we have in the lab are all the same. The type is going to be all the VEX 393. Other ones won't work. The VEX 393 is our motor. I'm going to hit OK. And then now I got to put my motor name in here. My motor's not called port 6. My motor is called Steve. But do you see the word Steve? No, because I didn't refresh the screen. To refresh the screen, you must push the compile program button. Mine worked. If you see a little window asking you to save, you can push save if you want. Mine didn't ask me to save. Oh well. Now I pick here, and there's Steve. So start Steve at 48. It's going to run for 5 seconds, and then I'll stop Steve. Think of it like if you say, hey, hold your breath, wait, 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 okay, breathe. It's like a command that says, keep doing this until time has elapsed. Okay, next. I need to get a orange USB cords. Plugs into my Cortex. And it plugs into an open USB port on my computer. And I'm going to pick the one called Download to Robot. It's going to send my program from my computer to my robot. It just says VEX power second required. That's okay. Hit OK. And wait, wait, wait. There it is. Oh, again. So now what do I do? I'm going to push the start button, and the motor should turn on and spin for 5 seconds. Let's watch. There they go. So it's on, running, and it'll stop. So the motor start, the motors run, the motor stop. Watch it again. Why the spinning? Uh-oh, unplugged. Try that again. How about now? Download the robot. One more try. And then I'll push start. There they go. Now it's turning. There's lab part 1. Hey, good luck.